Okay, now I'm going to show you kind of videos at night. Okay, so as you can see, we got the amber lights in my parking lot. So I'm going into the darker section now. It'll be just as though you're driving on the roadway. And we'll see. So if you decide to use it as a dash cam, you know what you'll be getting. And the lights are really yellowish tinge to them. So I'm going to take a slow scan. You're looking into right about here is the darkest section. Okay, now we're going to go into the lighter section here. And you can see by that's a silver car in front of me. And you can see the well, it picks up the I'm going to bring it up a little bit so you can see the setting sun. And slowly scan. Okay, now we're coming in more light. One of the entry doors. Okay. See the stairway. Trying to show you all different colors here. This is nighttime pictures. Also one of the flowered bushes. They're kind of a pinkish colored flowers. Okay, that's enough